Boyarde Messenger. I am from England. I'm a British artist, and art is all I've ever known. So it started at uni, discovering the genre, the pop idiom, realising that this genre of art basically just takes every other genre of everything possible, from fashion to commercialism, materialism, everything famous, iconic, songs, lyrics, everything you know that's out there, and it really sort of sparked a flame inside me. And then I thought, right, that's it, I'm a pop artist. We live in an ever-changing world where one minute you're told to speed up, the next minute you're told to slow down, be mindful. We're trying to have time. Time is something we don't seem to have. Time is a luxury, it's opulence. And I think that art can find that equilibrium. With Davidoff, it was just a completely organic process. It was just natural to work with them because they symbolise to me artistry, innovation and passion. And combined with my love of storytelling and their impeccable craftsmanship and the history behind the brand, other than the creative aspect, which is obviously crucial, the technical side of it was imperative for me to match everything about Davidoff that we know that they're known for, that longevity, that luxury, that opulence. The technical side had to match that, the quality. I've painted on wood before, I've painted on many surfaces. It's about multiple layers. We're talking minimum 30 to 40 layers, probably even more. Extremely thin layers of paint. Then you've got to let them cure. Nothing like a Davidoff cigar, which I know can be 7 to 10 years waiting for it to become ready. I'm not on that scale, but they did take about 5 months to paint, so we could allow all the paint to bond and cure, become more resilient, because it was so important to match that. When you have a client who has a luxury item, they've got an exquisite Davidoff Humidor, the craftsmanship and the artistry behind it, but they need that little bit extra more to make them feel like they are the only person in that room. That's where I come in, to create a visual feast that everybody else is going to enjoy, but they know it's just for them. They feel they've got something that nobody else can have, because it is completely unique to them. And that is just the most incredible feeling, to know that you've created that for someone that nobody else can. And that's what I love doing.